The Rough. Early lead is taken by Youngsta Gangsta. Impulsive decision running by Daral, moving up the outstanding favorite going time and racing for special best prayer of hope and love or money is the early trailer. Inside the last 650 Youngsta Gangsta, followed now by Going Time, a special best racing in third by some four lengths impulsive decision, moving up down on the inside Love or Money and Prayer of Hope. Last 450 and going to the last 400 meters more to run with Youngsta Gangsta Going Time. Rushing up now to take the lead. Love or Money is racing in third by some two lengths. Entering the last 200 meters more to run. Going Time by a length and a half. Love or Money is on the outside. Going Time, Love or Money. But still Going Time, Love or Money. And finally Going Time, Love or Money is special best prayer of hope, impulsive decision, and Youngsta Gangsta.